Hi, I'm Sean. We're going to do some Qigong for your back, okay? So you got a little like back stiffness, little back tension or pain. This might help out a little bit, okay? Always check in with your body though. If it hurts, stop, okay? This one is called like stretch and support the sky. So what you're basically doing is you're letting your head kind of go down towards the earth as far as you're comfortable. Okay, then you're going to come back and kind of feel your vertebrae stack on top of you here. Okay, so we're just kind of starting with the back here, just give you the general idea of what we're doing, kind of going down to the earth, towards the earth. Don't lose your balance though, bend your knees, and then come back up. Okay, so that's kind of like, the simple way to do it. It's a good way to start, but you can also add your arms. So I'm going to come back up and add my arms. So now it's going to be like I'm diving into the earth as I do it. And maybe even doing a deeper stretch if you can handle it. Okay, listen to your body. Bend your knees and come back up. Feel every vertebrae just kind of stack on each other as you come back up. Okay, spine. Inhale. Exhale as you go downward. Then when you get to the bottom, you can inhale. Down, up, and down. Inhale as you come up, bend your knees. Okay, yeah, those are good. Okay, so another movement you can do if you kind of got the pain or stiffness kind of in the sides here or towards like the SI joint is kind of bring your arms together. So you kind of bring them up and out, like interlaced, pushing out here. Now bend at the knees, okay, and bend at the waist, come down. Okay, so I kind of got my hands, palms facing the ground, and now I'm just gonna look towards my left hip here, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll look towards my right hip. I'm actually moving my hip as I do it as well, okay. Okay, so it's like you're making a little curve in your spine as you do this, okay. Looking kind of over your shoulder if that's not too much, or just towards your shoulder, okay, or just in that general direction of where your leg and hip is. Remember to breathe as you do this. Don't hold your breath. Very rarely do you hold your breath in Qigong. Usually you just breathe. Okay, you breathe in. Now as you're starting to get dizzy, by all means come back up, okay. Okay, so you've done those exercises. Say you still got a little stiffness in your back. Another teacher showed me a movement here. You can come down, back where you were, kind of stretch and support the sky at the bottom here. And you can just kind of make a little figure 8 with your hands. I learned this from Joy Black when I was training with her. She's teaching me primordial Qigong, or at least a different version of it. Okay. And you're just kind of drawing a figure 8 with your hands as you go, and just letting your waist sway with your hand movement, and just feeling things loosen up, and your hands are starting to drop as you do this, and maybe you're even starting to touch the ground, and maybe that's as far as you can go because your hands are kind of bottoming out. Okay, that's a good one. So you come back up. Slowly, 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 slowly. Okay. Okay, and I'll show you one more movement here. Say you don't have a lot of room to move in, kind of more of an energetic one where your hands are kind of like this on your back here. Okay, and so you're just going to move them out away from your body, then in towards your body. Okay, so out away from your body, then in towards your body. So as they move out, breathe in. As you come forward, exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Now energetically, it's like you're kind of pulling out what you don't need, and then putting back in what you do need. And your breath is kind of assisting you there. You could change up your breathing if you wanted to, but this is the way I was told. So think about when you're breathing in, and you're pulling things out. You're exhaling. Then you got more space because you exhaled, so you're putting things back in, okay? So inhale, so you're taking up the space, so you're taking things out. Your breath is helping you. Another visualizations, you could do the opposite, where you're thinking about, letting it flow as your breath is taken down into your lungs. This is just kind of doing the opposite here. Okay. All right, so that was some few simple exercises you could do for Qigong for your back. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.